How to fix the content area was not found problem in Elementor. Let's look at two different methods. For the first one, go to Settings, then Permalinks. Without changing anything, hit Save Changes. Now we have flush WordPress rewrite rules or permalinks that might be causing the issue. If it is not working, let's try this different method. Open your WooCommerce pages. On the Page Edit screen, change the page template to Elementor full width and update the page. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.